Myself, Srushti Gawali, and I did the project with the topic The Detection of Moisture Content Present in the Soil. What is the moisture content? It is the amount of water present in the soil. And what is the need to do this project? Because it allows the need of irrigation to be quantified in advance of crops showing the signs of distress. And what is the benefit to do this project? Its benefit is that with the help of this project, we may know that if there is a shortage or overabundance of the water to the plants, then plants may die. So we have to control that by providing the artificial conditions. So let us see what I required to do this project. Firstly, I required some samples of the soil. Then I required the petri plates or petri dishes which are taken of glass and generally of the same size to allocate the soil samples equally in them. Then third one, I required a spatula for the proper allocation of the soil in petri dishes. And fourth one, I required a hot air oven in a purpose to drying of the taken moist soil samples in petri dishes. And fifth one, I required a weighing balance machine to calculate the weight of petri dishes plus soil samples before drying as well as after drying into hot air oven. Then let's know what is the procedure I performed for this project. So firstly, I took 10 petri dishes and weighed them with the help of weighing balance machine and note down the weight of the empty petri dishes as the values of M1. Then I allocate approximately 30 gram of moist soil into each petri dish and reweigh the dishes with the help of weighing balance machine and note down the weight as M2. Hence the weight of moist soil samples was then known to me. Then I labeled all the petri dishes as per the sequencing number as I weighed them and as per the moist soil samples I taken in the petri dishes to know that which sample I taken in that each petri dish. Then I put all the petri dishes in hot air oven up to 24 hours at 105 degrees Celsius for the drying purpose. Then after completing the 24 hours for heating the petri dishes with the moist soil samples from oven and allow them to cool. Then I reweigh all the petri dishes with the oven dried soils into it on the weighing balance machine. Then the weight of the dried soil samples was known to me as M3. Then lastly, I put the values of M1, M2 and M3 in the formula, that is SMC equal to M2 minus M3 divided by M3 minus M1 into 100, and find the percentage of moisture content present in the soil from each sample. And finally, by this way, by applying the gravitometric method of moisture content detection, I completed my project of the detection of moisture content in the percentage present in the each sample of the soil I taken.